In today's video, I'll show you how to customize a Google Sheets invoice template. You'll learn how to add more items, set up tax calculations, and make the total add up automatically. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll have a ready-to-use invoice. Let's get started. When you open a new spreadsheet, go to the top right corner and click on Template Gallery. Scroll down to the Work section. Find Invoice and select it. Let's zoom in a bit for a closer look. Here, you can enter your company name and address. Adjust the text style, size, and color to fit your business look. To add your logo, go to Insert, Image over Cells. Choose the logo image from your files. Then resize it to fit the template. Update the invoice number. Now you can add your customer information and set the due date. For example, I'll choose August 30th, 2025. The template comes with 2 items. I'll show you how to add more in a moment, but first let's add tax to our subtotal. You can keep the adjustment field in case you want to give your customer a discount, like $100. If not, just enter $0 here. Now, I'm going to insert a row right above the adjustment field. We'll use this new row for tax. Depending on the percentage you need to charge your customer, enter the number here. In this example, I'll use 10%. Since we already have the subtotal, calculating tax is easy. Just type an equal sign, select the subtotal cell, then multiply by 10%, which is 0.1. So, the tax works out to $60. But the total hasn't updated yet. Let's fix the final total formula. We want to add the subtotal, tax, and adjustment together. The formula is equals sum, then select cells G24 through G26 and close the parentheses. Your total has now been updated. Adding an extra item is easy. Just select the last item's row and insert a new row below it. Now let's add item number 3, with a quantity of 1 and a unit price of $100. For the total price, simply drag the formula from the row above into the new row, and the sheet will automatically update the total for you. And when it's time to send the invoice to your customer, it's easy. You can email your customer using the Share button in the top right corner. Just enter their email address, set the permission to View Only, and click Done. Or you can use the print option from the toolbar to create a PDF or print a hard copy of the invoice. Choose Save as PDF, then enter your desired invoice name before saving. For a new invoice, simply duplicate this sheet and update the details. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.